Hi guys, Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we are doing another system test. Now I am losing track of my system test, so I'm going to pause the camera for a moment and I'll tell you which one this is. 1 second guys. Alright guys, we're checking a very cool tool that YouTube gives us. We are at System Test 5. So let's go ahead and pull the pulse station. This is going to be loud. Oh yeah, before we pull the pulse station, this is the sign right here. It used to be down below. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod. It used to be right behind, right about here is where the sign used to be, and now it's right here. So now people are going to be more alert if there's a actual fire. Plus this is self-monitor, so if I'm out somewhere and somebody pulls the pulse station, I can call somebody to go check out the system. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the pulse station in 3, 2, 1. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, the link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.